Okay, lie down, everybody lie down on the back. We are going to practice some ABS workout. Now from here, just right leg up and single leg rotation clockwise. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change your side, same, anti-clockwise. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Same. Change your side. Left leg, clock and anti-clock. Let's go for the clockwise. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good job. Yeah. 8. Okay. Now slowly change your side. Anti-clock reverse. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good job. 7 and 8. So everybody relax. Just shake your leg. Relax a little bit. It's a very effective exercise for your whole body. The next exercise, we raise your both legs up. Then we are going to single leg rotation. Very effective exercise for your core muscle. Don't be tired. Continue practice. 3. Normal breathe in. 4. Both hand side of the body. 5, 6. Come on. 7. Okay, now change your side same way. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, twist right side, left side. Continue. Yeah, right, left, right, left. Okay, relax. Relax. Come center, please. Now from here, just right leg up and inhale. Raise your both hand up. Both hand try to touch your toes. Yeah, give it to me. Raise your both hands up. Both hand try to touch your toes, but don't touch like this. You have to maintain tight your core muscle. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Slowly come down. The same way, change your side. First, raise your left leg up. Okay, wait. Relax. First, relax. Just try to knee straight. Raise your left leg up first. Maintain. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale. Raise your both hands up. You have to side up the toes and you have to maintain again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay, relax. So easily come down. Just shake your leg. Very good job. One more time. Inhale. Raise your both legs up. Try to knee straight. Yeah. Just try to maintain here. Couple of breathe. Yeah. Relax. Again, inhale. Raise your both hands up. Side up the toes as much as possible. Tight your core muscle. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Slowly come down. Twist. Shake your leg. Yeah. Very good job. Just relax. Now from here, fold your left leg first and both hands side of the body. Right leg straight up. Just try to hip up. Okay, inhale. Just try to hip up. Yeah, both hands side of the body. Exhale down. Just continue hip up. 2. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Continue. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good job. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Just try to maintain. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now from here, just fold your leg, cross leg, both leg to the left side. Twist your spine. Try to rook your right palm. Just try to maintain here. Relax your spine. Just try to relax and relax. Come center. Same way, change your side. Fold your right leg and try to raise your left leg up. Try to hip up. Okay. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Stay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now same way, cross leg, left leg over your right thigh. Twist your spine, leg should be right side, and try to look to the left side. Yeah, just try to look left. Maintain, maintain, maintain. And slowly come center and relax yourself. This is a very effective exercise for your lower belly, for your side fat, for your back. Okay, one more time. Inhale, raise your both legs up together. Yeah, and slowly exhale down. Continue, inhale up, exhale down. Both hands side of the mat. Continue, please. Inhale up. That's great. Exhale, slowly come down. Inhale up. Exhale, come down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And just try to maintain. Again, try to touch. Yeah, up. Try to tight your core muscle. Maintain. And relax. Okay, relax. Very good. Just shake your leg again. Fold your knees. Yeah, fold your knees and going to cycling. One by one cycling. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7. Reverse, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, relax. Now from here, in both hand, grab your both ankle. Inhale, hip up. Yes. Come to bridge pose. Exhale down. Continue, please, everybody. Inhale up. Exhale down. If you cannot catch your ankle, both hands side of the mat. Exhale down. Continue, please. Inhale up. And both hands under the hip. Yes. Just try to maintain. Very good job. Inhale. Raise your right leg up. Excellent. If you cannot, try to put down your leg. No problem. 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Same way. Inhale. Left leg up. Very good job. Just try to maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. Relax, please, everybody. Okay, next we are going to wheel pose. If you cannot, come to bridge pose. Chakrasana. Let's go. Yeah, raise your both hands up, both hands side of the head, and try to lift up your body. Yeah, maintain 2. Come on. Yes, little bit up. Try to knee straight. Try to the elbow straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now just slowly come down. Yeah, try to relax. So it's to come down. Yeah. Okay, very good job. Everybody hug your knees, roll and sit. Yeah, we are going to relax our back. Raise your both legs up over your head and try to touch your toes on the floor. Continue, please. Yeah, that's good. Go. Come on, everybody. If as much as possible you can, whatever you can try. Yeah, slowly practice. Yes, whatever you have to, just let's go. 2. Now raise your both legs up. Yeah, come to full. Yeah, good job. Yeah. Now from here, yes, if you can, that's great. Just slowly you have to maintain here. Continue. From here, if you can, then first raise your right leg or left leg, whatever you can. Maintain. 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your side. Same. Inhale, exhale. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just relax slowly. Again, inhale. Raise your both legs up. Continue, please. Yeah, that's great. Maintain. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just from here, if you can, then come to lotus posture, Padmasana. One by one, both leg folds. Yeah, first left leg, then right leg. Come to Padmasana and slowly bend down. Try. If you cannot, then slowly lie down on the back. If you can, then try to Padmasana, lotus posture. Maintain, just maintain. Very good job. Everybody, come on, try. Very good. It's a very effective exercise for your back and also belly fat. Okay, slowly come down, everybody. If you cannot, is it enough for you? Then slowly relax yourself. Just slowly try, everybody. Yeah, one by one, and try to relax yourself. Just relax. Okay, that's great. Both hand side of the body. Right side, left side. Twist your spine. Right, left, right. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't use your mobile, please. In the class, I don't like to use the mobile. Continue practice. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Now try to follow me. First, turn your body to the left side. First, right side. Drop your right elbow down. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Yes, that's great. Drop your elbow down. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Yeah, continue. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Very good job. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And the last one, inhale, up. Now bring your ankle, catch your ankle by left hand. Yes, just try to press down. Try to focus on your stretching. Yeah, as much as possible you can. 2, 3, not like this. Yeah, 4 and 5. Now slowly, right hand grab your left ankle. Yeah, straight down first. Right hand grab your left ankle, and left hand grab your right ankle inside. Left hand grab your right ankle. Yeah, very good job. This is a very effective exercise. If you feel tired, if you feel heavy, then try to skip it. No problem. Just try to maintain. Very good job. Very good. Nice. Okay, relax. Okay, like this. Okay, relax. Now everybody lie down on the front. Change your side. Both hand side of the body. Inhale, both hand side of the body first. Yeah. Inhale, raise your hands up and legs up together. Inhale up. Exhale down. Continue, please. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Just try to exhale down. Okay. Inhale up. Maintain. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Very good job. Now both hand grab your both ankle. Come to bow posture. Yes, both hand back side. Both hand grab your both ankle. Come to bow posture. Yeah. Come to Dhanurasana. Let's go. Inhale up. Yes. Exhale down. Very good job. Inhale up. Wider a little bit. Exhale down. That's great. Inhale up. Maintain. Exhale down. Inhale up. Yes. Maintain. Yeah, relax. Very good job. Now slowly change your side. Same way to the left side also. Drop your left elbow down. Turn your body to the right side. Now let's go. Left elbow down, please. Yeah. Now from here, inhale, right leg up. Continue. Try to follow me. Same way last time we already practiced. Yeah, right leg up. Exhale a little bit down. Again. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good job. Inhale up. Exhale down. Nice. Inhale up. Exhale down. Okay. Inhale up. Okay. Right hand grab your left ankle, and try to stretching, full stretching, little bit down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now if possible, then slowly left hand down, straight down, and left hand grab your right ankle. Yeah, and right hand grab your left ankle. Left hand grab your right ankle, and right hand grab your left ankle. You have to just relax yourself, couple of breath. Very good job. If you feel a little bit heavy, then you can try to skip it. Yes, just lie down on the front. Relax, couple of breath. Very good job. And try to relax everybody. Now from here you have to lie down at least 5 minutes, then complete your session. You take totally sleep. Relax everybody.